Hi friends, this is Dr. Thrust USA non-contact forehead thermometer. It's one of the most important video in our channel, so don't miss the video. See, I bought the product from Flipkart for 1139 from Flipkart in a big billion day sale. Actually, it's a very costly product and it's better than gun type. So it's one of the important videos. See, here are three modes: body temperature, object mode, and room or surface mode. So three modes, and we are going to explain everything about the product, how to use, how to change between different modes, how to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, how to visit last 30 memory in the thermometer. So I'm going to give everything about the product. See, it's the actual thermometer, Dr. Thrust infrared forehead thermometer, 1603 model name, and it's a two color code. See, green and red, and it comes with superb accuracy, infrared non-contact thermometer and 30 memory, LCD extra large display, and it comes to two batteries included. And see, it's a very accurate model, no doubt. Infrared thermometer, elegant LCD display, switching from Celsius to Fahrenheit, fever alarm, reliable, safe and hygienic, replaceable battery, auto power off, 30 result memory, quick result in 2 seconds, and 4 and object mode, and also it got a room temperature mode also available. So 3 modes actually. See, so display resolution you can see at approximately 2 seconds for measuring time. As a body mode, object mode, they give everything in the product. Please read the box one by one. See, on the operating temperature range, clinical accuracy, everything explained in the box. Before start using the product, please read the instruction and everything. And please watch the video until the end and see clinical accuracy, dimension, everything. Two batteries. See how to use. Two buttons are there. One was power button and one was start button. Two buttons are very important. It comes to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit or see last 30 memories. The button was really important. I see this Chinese product, sorry, made from China, but USA brand, made from China, imported product. I bought the product in a very good deal. See, it's better from compared to gun model. It's a better product. The Dr. Thrust. See, silver color number one. The product was imported from China and selling in India. Customer care also available in India. See, 7,500 rupees, but for 1,139. So best product at the price range, very important product for daily usage. See, you can scan this QR code or visit the website to get warranty. Now we see what are things in the product. I put the product link in the description. Check description and first pinned comment for more details. See what are the things present inside the box. The packing was really good. See, it comes in a plastic case, so more important. Very easy to keep it safe when not in use. See, the box quality was really fine. It's an actual box. The thermometer is very small and handy. See, when you open the box, thermometer comes with the battery was more important. Other important one, they provided two batteries. See, look wise, the product was really good. Silver and black combination. See, on off button, start button. On the side, by see object mode, two body temperature mode, room temperature mode is available. See the battery cover. See infrared position. See, now kept the product side and see the paperwork. Here you can see set body temperature mode, turn on for days, set body temperature, press and hold for 5 seconds, choose Celsius to Fahrenheit. I will explain everything in the video. Okay, see, very useful for child. Without disturbing the child, we can read the temperature. The 2 seconds, so very non-connected, non-touch thermometer, and see set temperature, accurate temperature and normal temperature and high temperature difference with the colors, fever alarm, quick and accurate detection in 3 seconds. Lots of things in the thermometer, body temperature, object mode, room and surface temperature mode. 3 modes are there. See, it can be very useful to object mode. The object mode was very important. You can read the milk bottle when you're going to give for a child. So very important. This is a warranty card. Visit the website and enter our order ID to get the warranty within 15 days. More important. So please visit the website and get your warranty in 15 days. See this user manual. But I will explain you everything about the product. If you want, please read the user instruction. So start using the product. Now see the product very small and very handy. See on off switch and start button. Switch quality is really fine, very easy to use. But see display also fine, black and silver combination color. Build quality fine. Object mode to room temperature mode or body mode. 3 modes are there. See the battery cover, distance 5 cm and reading in 2 seconds. it comes with the battery included, so don't worry. If the product was not in use, please keep the battery away. See, this is the area we need to keep it clean and without drift is more important. So infrared area, non-touch area, more important. But for the cost, the build quality was fine, no doubt. Don't need to worry. Build quality, very satisfied. Very good build quality. See the color code, red color. I mixed it in the afternoon, 11 o'clock, in the bright sunlight. It was really good. See, reading was really accurate. We see later in the video. See the button quality fine. It's on off button. The press on button. See, it was Fahrenheit mode. See the brightness inside. Brightness was really good. Memory Fahrenheit mode. Fahrenheit. See, the 3 dots available. Then it's ready to take reading. Just we need to press the start button. First we need to press the on button and ready for the 3 line dots, and then we need to press the start button. It was in body temperature mode. See, I am pressing. See, within 2 seconds it take the reading. That's all. Very easy and fast, quick. Accuracy was really great. See, I'm going to take my own reading. See, just press on button. Now it is ready with 3 dots, and I'm going to press the start button. See, 1 2 3 seconds. It is reading 98.3 in green color. I will save. No fever. It's in Fahrenheit mode. That's all. Now we going to take the object reading. We need to slide it down and see the smartphone. I'm going to take the smartphone temperature. Just press the start button. See, 82.1 Fahrenheit. Now you have to take the another object, stone. The stone was fully from night. It was in the upstairs, so it was in cooling. So 78.5. Now we take the door. There is sunlight on the door, so see the reading 81.2. See, these are difference in object mode. Very useful when you using it for a child. Food, taking food temperature very important. Milk bottle temperature very important. See, don't press the on off button. Just press the start button for 5 seconds continuously. You can see the 3 dots. See the Fahrenheit. Now we press the start button again. It moves to Celsius. That's all. It's the Fahrenheit to Celsius mode. Just we need to press the continuously start button for 5 seconds. The 3 dots blinking, and if Fahrenheit was showing, and we need just press to start button again to move from Fahrenheit to Celsius. See, this is the Celsius reading 34.2. See, 27.4. Now reading a change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. See, now just single press for start button. You can see the M symbol. This memory mode. We can see the last memories. Once again, you need to press the start button. 1 2 3. Last 30 memories will appear. Just we need to press once the start button for memory. Just we need to continuously press the start button for 5 seconds to move from Celsius to Fahrenheit mode. These are the 3 methods. Here don't need the on off button. For changing from Fahrenheit to Celsius or memory mode, just we need to press the start button for 5 seconds, and from 1 second to 10 hour operation. So very easy. Using was very easy, and accuracy was really good. See, once I'm pressing from 5 seconds continuously for moving from Celsius to Fahrenheit. See, now it's Celsius. Just press start button again to move to Fahrenheit. That's all. Very easy. Here the Flipkart not trying to sell the product at high price. The situation, they don't give a great offer. Thank you Flipkart for the wonderful product. See the memory, last 30 memory, so very useful. We can able to give it to the doctor when we move to clinic. See, 35 degree Celsius. Very useful product for me. The build quality was fine, excellent. The grip was really good, easy to hold, and temperature was very easy. See the plastic quality fine, really fine. Don't product the Chinese product, but also fine. The display brightness was good. The auto off function was really good. Battery, exchangeable battery, and the fine product. See the grip, very easy to use. Small hand to big hand, very easy to use. Reading in 3 seconds. And moving from object mode to other modes are also very easy. 3 modes very useful for taking room temperature. Just in object mode and take the reading in the air. Just enough. Don't need to do anything. See, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Last 30 memories. Operation was very easy. And the fever alarm was also there. The green card code also available. So it's a wonderful product for the price. So I need to thank Flipkart for the wonderful service, for the good product with the Dr. Thrust, well-known brand. I have also a weight scale with the Bluetooth. 60 metrics, body metrics, weighting scale. Please watch the video page, check card above, check description or check first comment. See the case is very important. After use the product, remove the battery and kept in the case. So very important, very handy box. Box alone may cost 100 to 200 rupees. I think it's a wonderful product for the price I pay. Really, thanks Flipkart for the wonderful service. Thank you. I put the product link in the description. Thank you, Tyrone 7. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you, Tyrone 7.